Okay.
Oh my god, this thing is amazing.
Oh no! Hey, I'm not on fire anymore. Okay, pull out your phone. Go to phone. Go to the left. Oh, I'm talking him through it so he can figure it out.
O'Doyle! O'Doyle, come
Yep,
back. I need
ambulance.
you to bump
No,
And
my
then
car.
send a message.
No, too late. We're gonna see what happened. Holy fuck,
Um,
this thing's fast.
vehicle explosions at garage.
Doesn't stop.
Some lady's trapped underneath. I think she got set on fire.
Oh
it's
my
like the
fucking
Batmobile.
god.
Cool.
Holy
Nobody's calling it in. It's his first ambulance call-in. Yeah, that's enough. And it'll
Oh,
ping
he's
you.
gonna get to
So
learn.
stand right here. Yeah.
Don't worry.
Oh,
I'll
you're
put
hurt
out the
too?
fire.
Oh, Jesus. Okay.
Shot
Two
fired.
people then.
Oh
So
yeah, that's fucking right.
But you can say there was a fire. It's fine.
yeah, he's mentioning that there were car explosions at the garage.
Hey, Doyle, move your car.
Christ.
No, it'll come out.
Yeah,
right on
you
top
can
of
mention
it.
how many people
Yeah.
down. You can
Alright, I'm
include
coming to
yourself.
push
You
the
pretend you're a
fucking car.
bystander.
I did not actually know vehicles could blow up.
Yeah, they can.
Yeah. My vehicle spawned inside first, and then his spawned with mine inside of his.
I'm so sorry. That was
I
my
came up
fault.
to try to pull mine out somehow, and then it blew up.
Thank you, sir.
This is gonna
It's
be
still
a
there.
messy scene, man, because I'm
What?
not unconscious.
I just saw two firefighters go running by.
Yeah, it's local.
That's weird.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Oh, because of the.
Okay, we got it called in. You sent it, right? You hit enter? Yeah, you don't hear anything else back.
Is there any cops on?
Well, we did EMT to attempt. Let's see.
There's no
No,
EMT
no, no,
on.
no, listen. When a reset happens, the person has to go all the way to the job center again. So there is EMT on. Probably.
Maybe.
Maybe not.
Oh god!
What? Did that
ye-
firefighter just pull you
Oh.
out?
What the fuck is happening over there?
Someone has a gun out?
Oh, it's O'Doyle.
Oh, Doyle, thank you. You saved me.
What is even happening?
I don't even know what happened.
I don't know. Yeah, if we send a message before someone's on the job, how do they get it? Is that dog attacking you? No!
Not the pupper.
Oh god. I was recording that
What
too.
the fuck is going on?
Why did the